Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're doing something a little exciting. Okay, so we had just finished the budget part of it, getting it running, driving, inspected, everything road legal and ready to go. Now it's time to start with the actual modifications I would like to do, stuff that isn't required to drive it, I guess, necessarily. And we're gonna tackle something I've wanted to do for a while, because it's a little rough. If you watch some of my older videos, I had done a full interior deep cleaning. I literally cleaned the entire thing top to bottom, scrubbed it down. It smells way better, it looks way better, but it needs to be better, if that makes sense. We had bought ourselves this right here. These are Corbeau sport seats. I'm not sure exactly the style, but I've been trying to price things out on LMR, and well, it's really expensive. And I just so happened to find a deal for these on Marketplace about 2 hours away, and we went ahead and picked them up today. So these are like bucket type style seats, adjustable. Let's see, yep, adjustable. Obviously the headrest, and then it also came with seat brackets. So I do not need to buy seat brackets. But the reason why I want to replace, I apologize for the lighting, it's not very bright in here. Well, for starters, there's a rip in here, and the seat is quite literally broken. And it does not. I like to drive, kind of more forward. We're gangster leaning, so yeah, that's a problem. And it's not only just the driver's seat; it's the passenger seat too. They're both broken. The lighting is awful, so I apologize. There's not much I could do there. 5% tint life, you know how it goes, but. Basically, start by removing. There's 4 bolts that connect this chair in here, the seat in here, and yeah. So we're gonna disconnect it. Oh yeah, there's probably electrical stuff underneath it. That's disconnected. Alright. Come on, get out of there. Oh, yep. So much room to work with. Okay. We're out. Okay. I got the old one out. Who knows how many farts have been farted in this seat. Lots of miles on this one. She's rough. Now, let's go to this one. Now, everything should fit up. I'm going to do a quick test fit in the car itself, and then we can bolt everything up. So, let's check it. I don't know who invented the Allen keys. His name was probably Allen, but I don't know why in the world it's like an inside-out socket or inside-out hex bolt. That's just weird. I don't know. Allen, you innovative son of a gun. slip and fall and die. Get the front ones hung up or started, and we can work on the rear ones. You did?
Yeah.
But he freaking, he didn't even get over to let you.
I mean, he wasn't like going too slow, so I wasn't like worried about it. I'm not gonna mess with him. You already messed with him enough, so.
Yeah.
You get one done already?
Almost.
Alright, you're recording a video, huh?
Right there.
Oh, you are? Oh, I'm sitting right in front of it. Well, you have it hidden pretty good.
Yeah, no. Well, the camera, I need to get a different lens so it can, like.
A wide shot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's, that's stock lens.
So you have to have it pushed back. You can get a fish, like not a fisheye, but a close to a fisheye where you can get the wider image.
That's kind of what I need. Can you hand me a headrest, please?
No.
Please. One last piece to the puzzle here. If I can get it in. We're gonna have to.
Is this open?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. I didn't want to break it. This one's not even that.
We're in, boys and girls. We're girls.
What are the new ones out of?
They're made for, well, they're kind of just sport seats.
Oh,
wow.
So nothing in particular, just made for cars.
Yeah.
They look good.
Oh, dude.
They'll fit the black of the car nicely, if you're keeping it black, that is.
Yeah. Yeah, I am. Possibly. We'll find out. Dude, this feels so much better. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's get the other side done.
I can just see the bottom of your head, that's about it.
That's alright. I don't need to look at my pretty face anyway.
Oh.
Gotta make sure the adjuster is on the outside.
Mm.
So you can adjust it.
I think you're good. You're a sexy guy.
Oh yeah, big sexy here. Big sexy.
Anything good out of that?
I'm working with what I got.
Oh, you're right. This thing does not zoom. This thing does not have a wide shot.
At all. I haven't tried messing with the settings a little bit, because like with the GoPro you can.
Yeah, well, this will come down to the lenses, not the camera itself. So you would have to get a wide lens.
Yep. And they're only what, $200?
I can't believe you get Dwayne up here to get your B-roll footage.
Well, you said he was doing something today.
It's like a 20 times zoom lens.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
What do you need that for?
It just came with the. I got like a kit with the camera, and that was one of the lenses that came with it. I didn't go far when I put the boot up. It's not still on the boot, is it?
How funny would that be?
It's not.
Oh, I love this too. Put new actuators on, dude. It actually stays up.
Oh yeah, that's right. I was gonna say keep your plates in the video. I see it, but it doesn't matter for Pennsylvania, does it?
Nope.
You can't track it. Whatever's there, it is. That was a bad camera angle. Do that again. I'm joking. I'm joking. That was a bad camera angle, dude.
We're good, boys or girls. Let's take a test Oh, yeah, Emma's gonna be able to see up over the dash now.
Those ones sit higher too.
Ah, quit going so fast! You gotta slow down!
Is that what she sounds like?
No. Cold start!
Is it a cold start?
Yes, sir.
How's the idle? Holding?
Yeah, it holds half decent. I think the IAC's not good.
It's a good shot there, if you want to say anything.
Oh, dude, it looks so good. Welcome to MPV Cribs. And this is my crib. I'm Octavio Mallory. Welcome to my crib. Dude, they look so good in there. Oh my god.
For the gram.
Yeah, for real.
Well, it is holding an idle.
Yeah, the IAX like turns off and turns back on, then turns off and turns back on. What do you think so far?
It's a sexy beast.
Oh yeah, big sexy.
Big sexy. What's that switch do? Is that your nitrogen?
No,
You just turn your nitrous off? Is that what you did?
No.
Go off here. God, they're going in third better than you did. Yeah, it's not bad. This does feel like the Mustang that I had.
It's literally the same. It's literally the same. Oh yeah, it feels so good.
Good, doesn't it? Let me do a test right
Yeah.
now. Now, do you always do it
I
second
will.
gear?
I usually always do, but you can do it first. Just watch, cause it'll redline instantly.
When I let go?
Yeah. Shifting like a maniac.
Well, I haven't messed up third gear yet.
Not too shabby though.
No.
For 180 horsepower, let's go. And it handles pretty well too.
Yeah, let's see how good it handles. That.
Rocks.
Sorry, I'm throwing rocks against your car now.
These seats really hold you in, because that's the whole point of this
I wouldn't
video.
know. I didn't sit in the old ones. That's the point of this video. I don't have no commentary on that.
How do they feel compared to the Subaru?
I think the Subaru's totally better.
Yeah, they're tighter. Like the bucket part's tighter. Yeehaw! This is a closed course in Mexico.
Yeah.
100% legal.
Totally filmed in Mexico.
Yep, filmed in Mexico.
Okay, now it's recording. You wanna, I don't know how I'm gonna get a... You gonna stop or are you just gonna hammer it?
I'm gonna stop.
He's okay with you doing this, right?
It will be.
What do you mean he will be?
I don't even know where he's at right now.